If you're in the market for a cheap rig to haul that new family around, come check out this clean 2008 Acadia SLT. This vehicle is trimmed out very well with leather interior. It also has a leather wrapped steering wheel with hand controls. It also has a Sirius XM radio with CD player, dual climate controls. It also has heated seats. In the middle, you'll have leather captain's chairs for easy accessibility to your third row seat. This vehicle also has a factory DVD player and passenger climate controls. In the back, you have a large cargo area. It also has fold down third row seat to make that area larger.